What is your stand on Panjim against casino?
Casino is see, personally, we were part of this Enough is Enough movement, which aimed at stopping the new casino. Now there is something really crazy about the way this new casino has bought in. So you are saying there's a 70-seater capacity casino.
Yeah.
You are replacing it. Replacing it how? By getting something which is 2,000 or 3,000 seater, I think. So 20 or 30 times more. तूं म्हणटा एक धाकटी हुमटी कोई हा तूं मोडून 30 मालाची बिल्डिंग घालतलो आनी ते रिप्लेसमेंट जाता आनी खंय आवटेपण. So I don't think Panjim has the capacity to take any more casinos, especially so-called what the government calls offshore casinos, which is another farce because they are not offshore. And we will definitely at least me personally, I'll definitely stand against any new casinos coming in.
Okay.
What is existing casinos now? See, I might not like them personally, but they are licensed businesses which have been there 23 years. And we all work under a framework of law. So if the law allows them to be there, and that is something which has to be studied, no one has filed a case on it, then whether I like it or not, then they have to be there. But as a citizen of Panjim, I think a solution has to be found that we moved out of the river Mandovi. And if we go the casino route, this is something which is to be considered. We should have a proper gaming policy with them accommodated elsewhere. But the new casino definitely not in the Mandovi because it is crazy. I don't think we can take the Mandovi can take it any longer.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.